Ebeka unusi Biafra. Ebeka unusi Biafra. Gamaba Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Agamaba Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Biafra.
Ojukwu finally took his people out of Nigeria. Biafra was proclaimed.
Yes, my people, I don't come again. Nana Biken Nade, the voice of Biafra. I thank everybody where they watch us today. Today's topic go dey very special and controversial too, like other topics where they come. Because of waiting we they see, waiting don't they happen. Our topic today na Osu in Igbo culture. Because we don't see things where they happen. We can't find out, say people don't even understand what be this Osu. Because we think say as we know and so other people know, e get few things wey don't happen in the past 1 week or at most 2 weeks where people don't dey complain. We don't see videos. E get one man wey just dey lament. See, go to marry his girlfriend wey 2 of them don't dey for a long time. The thing parents say as the parents come they reject am. Reject am say e no go mind say him be Osu. The man come dey lament. Come the feel say na saying himself even dey inferior. The man they believe so should do in a bad thing. But before we dey go right deep into this topic, we go first of all, they send a condolence message to family of our great leader, General Joe Achuzie, the air the man will make Nigerian soldiers they shit for their pants during the war. The man just died. We just say, may God make Okike, the great one, make he accept his soul. That man did too much until he die. The man they still they fight. As I did here, anytime where I get more information, I go pick up phone, I go call, even if not for night. General Achuzie go pick up call, talk to me. That man we no go forget him. We they say make you rest in peace. And that thing where we they talk about too, you get to one people Igbo conference where they do legacy of Biafra for London, for Brunel Gallery, School of African Oriental Studies, for UCL, University College London. Those people don't they do that, they don't reach 1 month to now. The thing go end for 24th of this month. I dey beg people make them go watch that, follow them, go visit, go see the kind of artwork where people do. I dey thank the people who organize them, the Igbo conference. I dey thank online because they say anybody wey know they against us. In our own person be that, in our own people. So I dey tell all Igbo people, all Ibibio, everybody, where from, even if you know be from former Eastern region, you dey live for this UK, make you go the Brunel Gallery. Now for Russell Square, you dey attend the central line. Go see waiting people. Even other people when no be Igbo side, way from even the north and the Yoruba them, their artworks there, they can't support. The day we go there, waiting we carry our ear here. Waiting one professor for that place, they tell us we just shake. This Biafra dey for our hand. But make we follow the support waiting other people they do. No be saying our own group or no be our own group. If other people they do something, go support them, because as they give that space for these people this year, if enough people no visit that gallery, they feel next year no go give them. Because waiting then the talk say they won't even carry and they go US and other part of the world. Because now so Jews manage keep their own history. We no go let our history die. Because if we dey pass the information to the next generation, now so this history, this Biafra, the fight go continue until we restore that great nation. So we go back to waiting with the talk about the Osu. Because one of our brothers, he drew away from Akwa Ibom, he can't write something for his Facebook page. They talk say Igbo people where they call their fellow Igbo Osu. say they watch past the phone and herdsmen. So me, I can't even reply and say my brother. Say anybody will call his brother Osu, that person. Say fast, if you call me Osu, I go there too happy. Because I know what it mean. But we understand, say our people don't even understand what Osu mean. Now why we say today, maybe we can talk about this Osu. Because people don't they talk of Osu caste system. I don't even read books. Can't understand, say even our so-called intellectual, many of them don't know the origin. They don't know how Osu can get Kelek as he get today. Say originally, Osu people, now them follow the whole Igbo culture. Osu na institution of higher learning, like we get university. Just like Asel Konko Day, Ekbe Day, Nzenozo, all these things, they like university where they for our land. Until Oyibo can come. Because Oyibo understands, say, na anybody, any group of people where they hold the concept of spirituality and the education for every society, say na then they control that society. So as they enter Igbo land, as they don't conquer that people, or Igbo land no agree make them conquer. Because no be bullet, then they use colonize people. No be bullet, even if you kill people, one person remain, the person go still pass culture to the next person, to the children. So if you know if you break that culture down, you know if you colonize people. And the British Empire can't get serious experience for Japan. Everything where they do for the shoot, because as they come out, Japan don't revive. The same thing for China. So as they enter Igbo land, they can't see one of the most complex societies where they education system for Igbo land, they complex. Political system, highly civilized. So they look for people where they hold the concept of spirituality and education. It can't be Osu. It can't be Okonko. It can't be Nzenozo. It can't be Ekpe. So the people where they too powerful, be like saying that they powerful past other ones. Now this Osu. Oyibo can see say Osu, as long as say Osu they active, they no go fit colonize Igbo land. They can say they go give the Osu, waiting they call the Roman Empire treatment. The way they use scatter demons for Greeks. Because as I talk demon now, as you they watch, you go they shake. How they manage so demons no mean spirit, no be spirits. So this one where people they chest for church. No, the demons were there for ancient Greece, na intellectuals. In fact, waiting demon mean na genius. Na them hold the concept of education and spirituality in ancient Greece. So as they conquer Roman, conquer Greece, they come find out say they no fit colonize these people as long as the demons today. Who are these demons? Those great intellectuals who go Africa go study. Like Tess of Malthus, Anaximander, Anaximenes, Zeno, Pythagoras, Hippocrates, Homer, even to Socrates, all of them were known as demons or diamonds. So Oyibo come begin to pick up people where no get sense. Come they make them judges, come they make them police, come they put them for big positions, come they give order, make them begin to arrest demons. Come warn every family, say anybody will go close to demons, say that family then go jail everybody. Then go deal with them. Before you know people, if you see those demons, the genius, then they run. Their fear be say, if they allow these people to interact with other people, then go they pass information. So they get to cut them. Them come occupy that information. Separate the people, the culture from the children. Can't take that space. Begin to brainwash the children. Now what they do for our land for Osu. As they see the Osu, debate Osu and the Oyibo debate. Different Osu them. Through translators and interpreters. They mesmerize Oyibo intellectually. So what thing they go do? They say, okay, make them give them the same treatment. They can't give order for church, for school, even for they give order to the Igwe them. Those Igwe them, the red catching, now people where they appoint. Oyibo appoint them. Say you, then go carry people go church. Say if you want Okonkwo to be Igwe of this village, raise your hand. If you want to Okafor, raise your hand. If 5 people raise for Okonkwo, 2 people raise for Okafor, the other one raise, then go choose Okonkwo. Before you know that Okonkwo will become the Igwe of the village. They can't give them order. Say make them no ever give land to any Osu during farming season. They say no children should go close to this Osu. Say everybody, if Osu them go school to register, Oyibo no go agree register them. Before you they know, many Osu come, they leave their villages, they go to other parts of Igbo land, even far away, to go settle. They make life hard for them. These Oyibo come pick people where they call a fulefu, people with lower intelligence, come make them call them police. They put them for police, they call them courtman or courtman. Can't use people who no get brand, they give them position of food. If you be Osu, they make sure you no go near. Waiting be Osu for modern time. The only thing where go suit waiting Osu be in today, na guru or professor. If they say somebody be more Osu, it means say the person is a genius. Child of a genius. Or the highest level, it don't reach the height of it. The height of waiting you they study, waiting you know. And this thing then they pass on from family to family. If we are papa, na Osu, like Osuala, waiting be Osuala in modern time, Osuala go be professor of soil science, stroke, quantity surveyor. So waiting be the job of Osuala. Osuala, they very important in Igbo land. Anytime where they want any farming season, they want share land. Now Osuala, they come begin the share land to different families. Then they use measurement. Then they measure land so that everybody go there happy. So if you get 10 wives, 30 children, then go share land to your family so that you not go there happy. The person will get 3 wives with 10 children, no go begin to envy you. Because all of them understand, say, na socialist principle where we get Igbo land to each according to his or her needs. So Osuala, they make sure, say, they know, because they know, say, their job na delicate job, because they believe, say, if they deceive anybody or cheat anybody, say, Allah go strike them dead. Because they need to treat Allah as just ordinary matter, ordinary material, just for commercial purposes. No, they treat them like Mother Earth. So them too, they don't study all the laws of the land, Omenala, Ordinala, Ntonala. They know all of them. So then they make sure, say, everybody they happy. Even if na toilet you won't dig, you go consult Osuala. Osuala go come check whether that land where you want dig that toilet, whether you dig, you go test them. Because as I talk like this, many of them go they talk saying how they possible. Our ancestors were sophisticated. Don't know the small picking. Then go test the soil, whether that soil go sink. Then if you dig toilet there, it go sink. Whether it dey close to where people they live or no live, then go say no, you no go build toilet, you no go put toilet here. Now the importance of the Osuala people in our land. We know they play with them. Osuji in today's world, now professor of agriculture. For the Ndoke side of Igbo where I come from, Ji no just mean yam. It means every food. Beans, corn, every food na Ji. So if you want to ask somebody whether they don't eat, you go ask them whether they don't chop Ji, really Ji. So Osuji, 9 days in charge of anything farming, the seeds, the right seeds to plant, everything. So these people, they're very important because it depends me. Say, even now, people no understand how important Osu is for our land. Say, Osu no mean outcast. Igbo no get outcast. Igbo no get outcast. Because people where they promote that this thing, now people, those same people where, the children of those people where Oyibo impose on us, say they be red cow chiefs. Now them still there now, they promote this ideology because Oyibo been fear Osu. Because now people where they high in intelligence, So they still they promote that kind of nonsense. And my problem is even the people who supposed to be proud of their ancestors, say they be Osu, then they shame. Then they shame. Because Oyibo don't make things will be our pride. Make it be something we're supposed to shame us. So we won't let people know, say, if you be Osu, in fact, you suppose even tattoo them for your body. Say, I be Osu. You suppose even put them for your car. Say, I be Osu. You suppose write them for you because your ancestors, they great. We get Osunka. And they're great people in Igbo land. These people, now them don't master the behavior, both chemical and the physical behavior of metallic objects, the metallurgists. So as then they make all the things where you don't see, where they miss gold, where miss silver, they miss bronze, they miss even all the farm tools. Now them they make hoe, machete, even the war tools. Now them they manufacture. Now then they call Osunka. Osu just like the institution, as I don't talk before. Now big institution, as we get university, get different departments. Now how Osu dey, now institution, get different departments. Osuji, Osuala. Even people where they communicate with the spirits, Osumo, you consult them. They will go to spiritual realm, get information. I know say this thing will sound weird to you. Now how our people been there. Our ancestors no be they in tune with nature. With everything where they. Before things even they happen, many of them they know. And they get specialization of our land. Now this also, now be this specialization. People don't understand even why Osu they live close to market. Some people they talk say Osu they close to market and all those kind of things. They don't understand. You have Osu Eke, Osu Afo, Osu Ori, Osu Nkwo. These people now then they fix prices of goods in the market to avoid exploitation. Especially when there's scarcity of products. Even when problem there for market, na Osu of these various markets, na then go settle down. But today, our people they say, don't Osu na outcast. Igbo no get outcast. Go read all the books where people don't write. We don't go to Parliament Library. We don't go to many libraries. Go get letters where Oyibo write to their kings and their queens. The ones where they write to Edward. The ones where they write to King Edward. 1, 2, 3, 4. The ones where they write to different kings and queens. Queen Victoria. And many of them. We don't go check. The people where Oyibo themselves forget about the propaganda books where they come they write. If you want to know the truth about what they write about you, now later you go check. You go see how Oyibo they describe Igbo land. The kind of people who be there for Igbo land. Say these people, then they treat everyone equally. Now the letters where they write, no letter don't ever show say Igbo get outcast. No single letter. Then go begin to check books where Igbo themselves will write. The one where Ola Oda Ekwe no write. That book was one of not the most selling book. In fact, it even beat Robinson Crusoe book as at that time. The man described how Igbo land dey. He no ever talk say we get outcast. We get Houghton Africanus, where Oyibo they call the father of modern African thoughts. Igbo man, we write in 18 something. He write nowhere we talk say outcast dey our land. One thing where all of them they talk say in Igbo land, no man is above the law. No man is or woman is beneath the law. We don't check. No evidence. Then Igbo people where they enslave, where go America, where follow develop the law where America they use today for Virginia. They describe how Igbo land they. They say where we come from, Nobody they inferior, nobody they superior. So my brothers and sisters, where this concept of Osu being outcast come from? Now from the British Empire. To destroy a people, you must divide them. You must create that sense of superiority among a group of people and sense of inferiority among this group of people. So that they go use those people where them don't bring up as superiors, they subjugate other people. They do it for Rwanda. Tutsis and Hutus. Now what did happen? These are the same people, the same language, the same culture. Belgians and Germans go there, go scatter these people, come separate them. They use this other group of people. That thing where they plant for that land, now it caused Rwanda genocide. Imagine when they planted it 100 years ago. See when the genocide can happen. Now it's something where they plant for Igbo land. Come say Usuna outcast. People were supposed they're proud of themselves. Come begin to see themselves as people will not get value without knowing say their ancestors were the greatest in our land. Saying that them everything where Igbo gets specialization. We get Osunkwa, na music, sound. They understand the science of sound. Anything will happen, anything will be saying na ceremony, na them to organize her. The unkwa, na diaso. Now, in fact, me, I don't really know the actual time where they begin to name people after their profession, after the level their ancestors reach. Like we get Osuji, Osuala, Osuafo, Osueke, everything. I just suspect as those people realize, say, these people, the British Empire wanted to destroy everything about Igbo. They say to preserve who we be, our education system, our spirituality, make we begin to name our children after our profession. And now why we are able to recover some of the things we don't recover about Osu. Anybody will fit get any document where they debunk waiting and they talk about Osu, make the person bring up. Because they get to destroy our institutions. For the side where I come from, we don't get Osu. Waiting we get no Okonko, Okonko institution of higher learning. They also demonize them, almost destroy them. Can't tell people, if you dare Okonko, no come church. No near school make you no come. People come begin, they become knights. You go wear that thing, where go make you look like lamb, carry sword. Instead of being Osueke, you are now Knight of St. Christopher, Knight of St. Molumbus, Knight of St. this and St. that. You are no longer proud to be Osueke, Osuafo, Osunko. So your tradition must be demonized and destroyed for the colonizers to colonize you. And Osu, now the most, in fact, arguably the strongest institution in our land before these people enter. And make I tell you this story. After all the debates, Igbo land say, instead we wanna go destroy our land, make una rule us, but directly. It's documented. The administrators wrote letter to Queen Victoria. That was 1890 something, 1880 something, 1890 something, between that period. Say these people don't agree. They know one wahala. Because our people, the people who will be custodians of Igbo, don't actually come to destroy, they come to kill. And they wanted to preserve our land and everything. Because they know say these people come, they will still go. They come right later. Queen Victoria can't reject the thing. Say they no go rule Igbo people directly. It must be indirect rule. Because their target, not be just the land, the target now the mind of the future generation. So that they will destroy all the institutions. Once they destroy the whole institutions, it will be easier for them to rule over us. And that is why we are proud of things where no make sense. And everything will make sense, will be our own. We know they're proud of her. So I don't talk about Osuji. I don't talk about Osuala. And that one be Osuigwe. Osuigwe and Ezigwe, now the same thing they mean. But people they confuse. And when we talk about Ezigwe, they say that God will lay there forever. No. Ezigwe means professor of astronomy and astrology. Now the meaning. People will understand how stars, moon, all of them, how then they work. And now them map out our calendar. Those see with them. The calendar where we they use today. Now them know how many days were they for year, how many days were they for month, how many days were they for week. Our own week they different from Oyibo week. Now 4 days in a week. 28 days in a month. So now them make them out. The Osuigwe people. Then we get another group of people, Osuago. You know when they talk about Ago for Igbo land, people know the understand them. Ago no be really bad thing. When they say Ago na charge somebody, you know me say they're bad. In today's world, if you see people like Lady Gaga there, Tyson, you go say Ago. Even for our land, you get people who go see say Ago na charge. These people they like today, in Oyibo we call them enigma. People where they difficult to understand. So because their parents don't understand them, and waiting other people they do, they don't want to do them, then you carry them go meet Osuago. In today's world, Osuago is like professor of psychology. Somebody will understand or people the behavior. We don't master. Through research, don't master how people they behave. So you don't master. So when they bring that person where I go they disturb, Osuago go help him, direct them so that he go know his best skill. Because these Ago people then they multi-talented. They there for communities. You go see them say, oh, this boy they too stubborn. If you tell them say make you no climb here, now that place you go. Oh, if they play football, all those kind of things. So the Osuago go direct them. Sometimes then they do therapy. Waiting or you don't understand, they say a ritual. They fit go collect coconut. That coconut no go fall for ground. They make sure pick them, carve and collect the water, wash the person's head. Or you don't understand, yes, everything a ritual, a therapy. Then go cancel the person. The person also go there like counselor too. Cancel the person, direct the person. Now the work of Osuago. We no go begin to name all the Osu. Because they plenty. Every aspect of life where Igbo operate that time, get to even people will be orators. All these things where they study for Oxford and Cambridge, our ancestors don't know say speech is science. They say it in Igbo, Okubonka. So the Igbo, they get what they call Osuoku. Those that have mastered the art. Some of these talent they pass on from parent to children. And as they pass on, they go to teach you. The education system where they get be say, as that talent where you get, they go carry you put for people where go direct you. We no get that university where they come build big university where people would dey. You get how the Igbo university been there. Some of them get like labs. They get like labs. They get like libraries. Where people they go, although you call them shrines. Christians come begin to burn all of them. No, these people, these places now research institute where they get this. You see them there, then they do research. They get information. Osuago they also. Osuago in today's world is professor of medicine, professor of pharmacology. These people don't master, they don't know leaves, herbs where they treat many diseases. So we no one go far, we just want, because of waiting don't they happen, make we seize this opportunity. Tell people say, Igbo no get outcast. In Igbo land, even people where they say, this one knows, this one Amade. It don't make sense because there is Osu Amade also. Because we no go explain everything to owner. Because some of these things go enter books. Small people where they primary school, people where they secondary school, people where they university go get. So that this madness where you go plant for our land they go. We go destroy, because some people they say, hey, now we start them. Oyibo can help us end. I say, look at what nonsense are you talking about? Oyibo start them. Now so they start slave trade, saying now we start them. Carry our people go Caribbean, carry people go everywhere. Come finally, saying that them stop them also. The only thing where they teach us, how Christian, how missionaries is stop Atlantic slave trade. This, that. Who start them? Now still missionaries start Atlantic slave trade. Now them, and not be them stop them. Now Haiti people will fight for 18 something, defeat 3 major world powers: Spain, France, and England and Britain. Defeated them. Now they fight. Now so slavery starts. So if they carry Igbo people, say then they go Caribbean. If they reach for High Sea, Igbo can carry their masters inside High Sea. All of them they die. That's where they fight. Oyibo can know say this thing don't become bad market. But our education system, they teach us nonsense. So we no go deep, begin the call one after the other, waiting every Osu mean. Because everything, every area get, even the post office where they get today for disseminating information, Igbo people don't get them. Even in their own time and way that time, the way they call Osu Ama, their job not the same messages as them they deliver mail, but they know be true. They go wrong. These are specialists. They know how to use gong. They know to deliver message. They know how to use Ikoro. Ikoro fit there here deliver message where somebody where they 50 kilometers go get, and then go know the exact message. It just there like WhatsApp of today, Twitter of today, text message of today. This phone where we get today, the Samsung, the iPhone, all these things, that Ikoro now the oldest model. So maybe we go, I think we go stop here, because we no go begin to go through all these things, because they plenty. But we say, as you watch this thing, share them, so that this ignorance no go they multiply for our land. Because you get people way like that division, so that people will get to where they suppose they proud. They suppose they proud. We go stop here today, because even this program no be waiting we even supposed to do, but now waiting we they see for social media. We say no, make we seize this opportunity, do this program. As you they watch this thing, no be by accident say they here they watch them. Our own mandate they different from other people own. Our own be say we they target our mentality, because freedom starts with freeing yourself mentally. If we don't free ourselves mentally, they can't give us Biafra. Hey, take Biafra. People get messed up. So our freedom must start from freeing ourselves from mental slavery. So now here I go stop for now. Take good care of yourself. Thank you for watching.
Ebeka unusi Biafra. Ebeka unusi Biafra. Gama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Agama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabi. Biafra gadi.